What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So my dad works outside, and lately he's been having a hard time getting the phone to charge. Now it's gotten to the point where it won't charge at all.
It's not charging at all.
Yeah, he wanted me to bring it in to you guys, see if you guys can help him
Oh
out.
my gosh, man, this is so dirty. Wow. What is it doing?
He does construction.
Yeah, look at this, not charging at all. Oh my gosh. We have to deep clean this as well, bro.
Oh yeah, he does not do a good job keeping that thing clean.
I see it. Don't worry, I got you.
Thanks, boss.
This is so dirty. Look at that. You can't even press the power button. And look at around the camera. How dirty is this? Oh my gosh. Can't wait to give this phone deep clean. Look at this port. The speaker is all covered with dirt. You cannot even hear anything on this phone. Let's get started. Let's remove this first. And God damn, look at this. So much dirt coming off already. Look at that. Maybe he didn't know he had a protector around the camera. Wow. Look at this. I have to clean this speaker holes.
What's up, buddy? Oh yeah, you good boy. You good boy.
We're gonna change this charging port. Look at these buttons. It's covered with dirt and dust and hair. See the hair right there? How often do you clean your case? And how many cases do you have? Comment below. So this hairs, it's not even coming. Oh my god, how gross this side. Wow. So much difference, right? Outside looks clean. Let's get work on the charging port. Surgery time. This protector is cracked too. I'm gonna clean underneath. We have so many DNAs here laying around. Look at all the hair. And this case was clear case turned to yellow because it's been out so long. Look at all this hair. Let's see how it is going to turn out. See all this DNA on the corner? God damn. That's all you have to do. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at this now.
That was brand new.
Yeah, I cleaned it for you. Let me just charge it. Now it's charging.
Perfect.
And it's good to go.
Appreciate that, boss. You guys are awesome.
Thank you. And look at this case.
Nice. Even clean the
It's all
case.
clean.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art.